following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Seafolk, Maryland. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour expected. Where the District of Columbia, Central, North Central, Northeast, Northern, and Southern Maryland, and Northern and Northwest Virginia. When, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: the strongest wind gusts are expected Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour may linger at times through Monday. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here is